by driving next to a truck. And by the way, I want to give a shout out to truckers. They're the ones that deliver our equipment, our stuff, our food to stores. You know, a lot of driving schools, they do not teach highway. They don't give highway lessons until you get your driver's license. Nowadays, I don't know if some do, but I know that a lot of them don't. I know when I got my driver's license, actually when I was learning how to drive, they gave me both. And this was 32 years ago. They gave me both. They gave me highway lessons, local road lessons, and all of that. And my test was in a closed course. It wasn't out on the roads with everybody else. Interesting, huh? So, you know, in New Jersey, they still have it like that. In Lodi, New Jersey, that is where I got my driver's license. Lodi, New Jersey. They have, if you look it up, Lodi, New Jersey road test or road test site. Look it up on YouTube. There are some videos that people recorded, you know, for a Lodi, New Jersey road test. It's a closed course, guys. Amazing. I think that's not, you know, they shouldn't do it that way. They should do it with people driving on the road, because, you know, on regular roads, because you're not interacting with other drivers and stuff. There's no other cars. It's just you and the examiner, and you're driving in the closed course. There's stop signs. They have you do the parallel parking, the three-point turn in a closed course. Wow. You know, so basically what you learn with a driving instructor, look at this. Look at these two vehicles. Oh my goodness. What the heck? Whoa. Whoa, look at these two guys. Whoa. They were fighting for the same spot. Wow. Well, I caught it on camera, guys, while I was telling you guys a story. That was horrible. That was horrible. Sometimes people tend to do that. Drivers tend to do that. They get stubborn, and then they want to, you know, they want the same spot, and they race to the same spot, and they can cause a crash. Let's see. Oh, I don't know what he was doing. He was going like this, pointing. When I looked over, I don't know if he was talking to the guy in front of him.